Alright everybody, it's Tommy. I'm back with an update on my tattoo. I got Cadillac tattoo down in Mount Airy. Good guys. Danny did it for me. Like a block away from that Acme. A little steep, but you definitely get what you paid for. Cover up this monstrosity I had. You gotta look at it. Crazy, right? Can't stop looking at it. It's still healing up, so I'm paying no mind to little scabs that's on it. When it's done, it's gonna be sexy. Give me a second. Yeah, Danny, Cadillac tattoo in my area. Good guys. I mean, they'll work with you if you're on a payment plan. If you need a cover up or anything. I'm definitely loving this right now. I'll definitely will put an update, a video when it's done. So I mean, good look forward to that. Alright.